now we're going to insert the dart. And as we have cut away the dart, it's really easy because all we have to do is put them edge to edge. The lower part is a tiny, tiny little bit longer than the top. That's not a mistake. That's how it ought to be. You just hold that in. That gives the bust a really nice curve there. And then you can see where the dart ends right there. And we are going to sew slightly over the top of that. It's about 1.5 centimeters or even a little bit longer. Do not sew in a curve like that, a nose. You'll never get it out and it'll look horrible. What you really want to do is you want to try to get a line which fizzles out towards the top and almost curves round the other way, like your bust is curved, right? So I'm just marking that from there. You just go straight up and your dart will get smaller and smaller and smaller. So starting on the 1 centimeter seam allowance and then progressively thinning it out towards the end. What you don't want is a point like that you get when you have the pins in there, right? We don't want that. We want it to be so smooth that you can't even tell that there's a dart in this. Right, let's go over to the sewing machine and do this thing. 1 centimeter seam allowance, and you can see here all I'm doing is feeding this in fairly straight, and it gets smaller, 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 smaller until I've got a tiny little tip there which will be okay to steam back in. And then I'm overlocking my darts. And there's my overlock dart, so it's nice and neat. Now to the ironing. You can see we've got a tiny little point here and we need to get rid of that. And because I'm working with this 100% cotton, it's very easy. So I'm now going to overlock the side seam as well. And the dart should be facing towards the body middle, downwards. Mine is facing upwards, so shh, don't tell anybody. It doesn't really matter too much because it's not an actual dart that is actually there because we cut all the fabric away. It's very light, so it doesn't matter. What you want to do is just steam from the top, lots and lots of steam before you put the iron down, and you continue doing that until you have got a dart that literally melts into the fabric, and you do it until that little curve in the fabric that you can see there, that little bubble that stands up, is completely gone. The more cotton you have in your fabric, the easier this process is. You can see it here, and I'm just going to go over and over and over, and now it's literally flat, right? And this beautiful curve here will just fit right on your bust. So if you have a bigger bust, it's really important to have that dart. And it makes it all like sit really super. Well, that is the dart done. We can move on to the next chapter now. So I see you over there. Bye for now.